हर कोई अपने लाइफ पार्टनर में एक अच्छा दोस्त ढूंढता है, पर अगर आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड ही आपका लाइफ पार्टनर बन जाए तो व्हाट्स बेटर देन दैट, है ना?
Suits and cars and Hollywood stars all out tonight.
6 साल फ्रेंड जोन रहने के बाद आज फाइनली दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले ही जाएंगे।
Heels and nails and puppy dog tail.
I'm talking about the groom of the day, Abhishek, and his bride to be Anshul.
Don't forget my name.
So welcome to Yari Dosti Shadi Season 3 with Aza Fashions, where the formula remains the same. दो स्वीट से lovebirds, उनकी धूम धड़ाके वाली शादी, उनके सपोर्टिव येट मस्तीखोर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, और मैं उस मस्ती का मॉडरेटर आले कपूर। अब बहुत बातें कर, शादी करवाएं।
Hi, I'm Anshul and I work for Microsoft in New York and I am a project manager. Although it doesn't look like I manage projects and people, but I do. शादी बुरहानपुर में हो रही है और मैं बुरहानपुर में ही पली बड़ी हूँ। मॉम, डैड, दादा, दादी सब यहीं रहते हैं और बुरहानपुर इज अ वेरी रिच मुगल हिस्ट्री। शाहजहां और मुमताज का प्यार यहाँ ग्रो हुआ। सो ये लव स्टोरी का सिग्निफिकेंस और मेरी लव स्टोरी का सिग्निफिकेंस मेक्स द परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन।
मेरा नाम अभिषेक है and I work in a financial technology company in California, US. And मैं आज का दूल्हा हूँ भाई शादी का। I'm a very fun-loving guy. I play every sport. I play table tennis, pool, snooker, and उसके अलावा बहुत सारा सोता हूँ। दिन में भी सो जाता हूँ कई बार।
Hi, I'm Kamna and I'm from Pune. I'm working as an HR manager and I'm from Anshul's side.
My name is Abhishek Sharma. Abhishek is my best friend. So I've known him since class 8th and we've been really close study buddies.
Anshul and me know each other since kindergarten. We have shared best moment together. We went on trips. You can say we are the best friends. We have very interesting start of our friendship. The first time we met, we were studying in same class. बातों बातों में वो इतनी aggressive हो गई कि उसने मुझे झापड़ मार दिया और वहाँ से हमारी friendship start हुई. And till date we are the same. Whenever she gets angry, I also get angry.
Abhishek is usually a cool-tempered guy and he expresses what is in his head at that moment. He doesn't shy away from things. He appears to be really cool and calm. So he'll look a bit busy. So he might be a bit tensed of something. So that's one thing he doesn't share with everyone.
Anshul like proper girly girl है. She loves seeking attention and she loves कि कोई उसे प्रेज करे, उसके बारे में अच्छी बातें बोले, उसे पैम्पर करे. She loves that. So we met in 2009 and I was dancing on a stage preparing for our annual get together.
वो लगता है ना फिल्मी टाइप वाला सीन, गिटार बज रहे हैं पीछे, वायलिन बज रहे हैं, एकदम रोमांटिक हो जाता है।
So he was looking at me like any other guy would do.
मतलब एकदम मूड चीयर अप हो गया ब्रो, वाओ ऐसा। सारी मतलब दुख दर्द 1 मिनट के लिए सब निकल गए।
So I tried ignoring him, but then he stepped up on the stage after my practicing and he was like, "Oh, you have a very charismatic smile."
I was actually trying to pass a compliment to her.
I was like, "Yeah, he's just another guy," and I smiled like casually and thank you.
धीरे calm and composed nature लेके पटा ही लिया।
When I first got to know about Anshul, Abhishek shared that he has a special friend in his life and he's looking forward to propose to her and extend that relationship to next level.
I met Abhishek 5 years back. Anshul introduced me as a friend. They used to work together. So at that point of time, he didn't propose to Anshul. He used to like Anshul. हमें पता चलता था कि वो जिस तरह से अंशुल को देखता था.
Actually, पता तो चल गया था 2012 में ही कि he actually loves me. For me, he was a friend. He was like friend zone.
Abhishek is a gem. He is the best person for Anshul. Best match, I must say. जब अंशुल US shift हुई, at that point of time, she was looking for right guy. You know what exactly she is seeking for and all that. So I suggested that Abhishek is the best guy, and you should marry this person. Whatever you are looking for in a right person, right perfect guy, he is the one.
प्यार की शुरुआत दोस्ती से ही होती है, ये तो समझ में आ ही गया था मैडम का कैसा है. 6 साल में मैंने बहुत बार अपनी कुंडली भी मिलाई अंशुल से देखने के लिए कि कितने गुण मिल रहे हैं. क्या पता पृथ्वी लगी हमें मिलाने के लिए, क्या लगा है.
But actually, it was all planned from his side. I think मुझे यही लगता है.
अंशुल कंफ्यूज स्टेट में थी, शादी करनी है, क्या करना है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. मैंने फोन उठाया और उसके घर में घुमा दिया फोन सीधा.
So अभिषेक ने तो मुझे बताया नहीं. मम्मी ने मुझे बताया फोन करके कि अभिषेक called and he is asking for a marriage. And I was like, oh no, oh my God.
देखो प्यार तो मुझे उसको पहली नजर में देखते ही हो गया था, पर 6 साल तक मैं उसे बोल नहीं पाए.
जब दोस्ती से प्यार होता है तो awkward moments तो बहुत आते हैं. It was awkward.
I just said I love you. और वहाँ थोड़ी साइलेंस रही, स्माइल रही, थोड़ा टाइम लगा और उसके बाद I love you too. बहुत मुश्किल से मिला है उस दूसरी तरफ से I love you too. बहुत साल लगे उसके पीछे.
फिर धीरे धीरे फीलिंग आने लगी कि this is the dream I was waiting for. बस फिर हो गया.
Anshul is a caring girl and she really cares about small things, about Abhishek and about his family, and beyond that I would say that she is also intelligent, independent girl. So all these qualities make Anshul a perfect partner for Abhishek.
Anshul and Abhishek, they are very cute couple.
They're kind of chubbly bubbly couple. They look great together.
Anshul is a proper drama girl and Abhishek is a simple, sweet and smiling guy.
तो ये तो हो गई कपलों इनके दोस्तों की बात, लेकिन अब लगने वाली है इनकी वाट. मैं बात कर रहा हूं about the tasks which the bride and the groom have decided to give to their friends. तो जाके देखें क्या है ये tasks.
कामना मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है बचपन से और अपनी शादी में मैं उसे नॉमिनेट कर रही हूँ सारे टास्क के लिए. मुझे गोलगप्पे बहुत पसंद है, तो वो DDLJ में हुआ था ना, शाहरुख खान काजोल को खिलाता है खाना, वैसे ही मुझे भी शादी के जस्ट पहले अभिषेक गोलगप्पे खिलाए.
उसे गोलगप्पे खाने हैं ठीक उसकी शादी से पहले, एंड वो मैं कैसे अरेंज करूँगी, आई एम स्टिल फिगरिंग इट आउट how to make it happen.
शादी में मेरा दोस्त अभिषेक मेरे साथ आया एंड मैं टास्क के लिए उसको नॉमिनेट करूँ. पहला टास्क इज ड्यूरिंग मैरिज व्हेन द सेलिब्रेशन इज गोइंग ऑन, आई वांट अभिषेक टू टेक अंशुल आउट फ्रॉम दैट होल वेडिंग थिंग, एंड मैं कहीं बाहर अंशुल के साथ एकांत में कहीं थोड़ा बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड जैसा टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहता हूँ.
दूसरा टास्क है कि मेरी हल्दी में ना सब एंजॉय करे, सारे फ्रेंड्स को हल्दी लगे, मुझे अकेले को नहीं. इट शुड बी लाइक होली की जैसा हो माहौल. अभिषेक के सब दोस्तों को, मेरे सारे दोस्तों को हल्दी लगे.
We want to make this haldi a very memorable one with frolic, fun and exciting one.
सेकेंड टास्क आई वांट टू गिव अभिषेक इज अंशुल के कुछ फ्रेंड्स आए हुए हैं यूरोप से भी और यहाँ से भी. आई वांट अभिषेक टू टीच देम डांस एंड उनका एक परफॉर्मेंस हो संगीत में, तो इट विल बी फन.
I am an average dancer and to train people is a double stress task for me. I think the tasks that have been given to me are super complex task and really hard to perform.
तो भाई और बहनों, एग्जाम का टाइम आ गया है. Now it will be fun to see who beats whom and if they are able to impress the bride and the groom. Meanwhile, I will take you back in time to a few weeks ago when I first met this crazy couple on a very fashionable date. शादी की तैयारी शुरू हो चुकी है. एक्साइटमेंट लेवल बढ़ता जा रहा है और शादी में सबको सिर्फ एक ही चीज का इंतजार है. क्या? नहीं, खाना नहीं, कि ब्राइड और ग्रूम पहनने क्या वाले हैं. बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल शादी के हीरो हीरोइन तो वही है ना. और इसीलिए मैं यहाँ आया हूँ अज़ा स्टोर टू मीट अ चीफ स्टाइलिस्ट एंड फिगर आउट व्हाट शी हैज प्लान्ड फॉर द ब्राइड एंड ग्रूम. चले नहीं है ना? ठीक है.
Hi, I'm Devangi Parekh and I'm the Director of Strategy at Aza. Aza is a multi-designer store that carries the best of Indian designer wear. Whether it's the best friends, the mother, the brother-sister relationship, our team of merchandisers at Aza spends hours going through all the latest collections and then hand-picking the best pieces so that you can have exactly what you're looking for. Our role at Aza is to build memories of a lifetime, and I get to help them create picture-perfect moments.
Hello.
Hi, Ali. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good.
So how is it going?
Busy. We have clients coming from all over the world. And so, wedding season for us is year-round now.
Acha.
By the way, I really like your kurta. This is Antaragni, of course.
Thank you. Yes, it
He's
is.
super talented. And it's looking great on you.
Thank you.
Okay, I have a gift to give you.
Wow.
For all your upcoming weddings. A little token from Aza.
Thank you. This is very pretty, Devangi.
It's a stole.
I will put it on right now.
Okay.
Thanks a lot, Devangi. This is really, really pretty.
You're most welcome.
Do you know that today's couple, Anshul and Abhishek, have come all the way from US to be a part of YDS?
I'm really looking forward to meeting them. You know, I grew up in the US.
Oh, you did? And
Yeah.
here they are.
Oh, great.
We met Devangi and we needed something to, to complement with the Mughal theme.
So, guys, comfortable?
Very
Relaxed?
comfortable in this beautiful dresses. Yeah.
Excited.
How was your journey back
All
to
this
India?
while, oh my god, I was super excited and I was anxious because being in state, it was so hard to find good dresses,
Yeah.
especially authentic Indian dresses. We did find couple of websites, but looking at your website, I was like, oh my god, I want to buy all of this.
I mean, trust me, she is really, really picky. I mean, when she likes all the dresses, they're just amazing. And the other part was, I guess Aza Fashions also ships to US.
Yeah, we ship internationally.
We were actually,
Yeah.
we were initially thinking of shipping, but anyways, we were coming here, so we thought she wanted to try all of them. So.
Yeah.
But apart from the clothes, there has been a lot of picking and choosing in your love story also. Apparently, she took a lot of time to pick you up also.
Yeah,
Definitely.
I don't know about that.
I mean, the first time I saw her, I mean, we were in Pune, and she was dancing on a stage. I guess she was rehearsing for a performance, actually. And I was like, wow.
I always thought he's my friend. So I'm like, okay.
Yeah, I was
now-
friend zoned
Okay, we were friends.
for quite some time.
So
yeah.
what made you change your mind?
It's my persistence. I kept trying.
Really?
Yeah.
He actually called my family, not even informing me. My dad picked up the phone and he's like, Uncle, मैं आपकी बेटी से बहुत प्यार करता है. And believe me, after the phone call ended, my mom called me and she's like, why don't you think about him seriously?
Oh, wow.
This time it didn't work. I tried the other way around. That works.
So Anshul, इनका friend zone status खत्म करने के लिए आपने इनको कितना दौड़ाया?
अरे मत पूछो. Almost like.
मैंने नहीं दौड़ाया.
नहीं नहीं इनकी
He
आपकी
kept
क्या
on
कहानी?
chasing. I
अच्छा.
never asked him. I always thought he's my friend. And see, he's
I was
still
rejected.
pointing at me.
For a very long time.
And I realized when I think I got little matured, that's when I understood.
Not to come back. I was still rejected for a very long time. उसने बहुत wait
It
करा.
wasn't.
It's really beautiful that you're getting married in your hometown.
So I really wanted my engagement to have this Mughal thing because
Anshul was very clear about what she wanted to wear. There was a theme to the event. It was a Mughal theme.
So are you looking for something, I'm guessing, in royal shades?
I feel like you are reading my mind. Similar colors.
So she knew about the colors she wanted. She was also very aware about what suits her body type and the colors that look good on her.
So I wanted to wear something which would go with the theme, not too flashy, but also matching my jewelry. I want to try that side thing, pasa. Yeah.
What do you have in mind for your...
बता दो. मेरा भी बता दो. She's gonna decide for me too. So I don't have any preferences.
You have a choice. You can say that.
Well, I chose you, and
That was the choice.
Abhishek was the sweetest. He wanted Anshul to be happy with whatever he wore. He wanted that twinkle in her eye.
So I think for him also we can match the color palette.
Yeah.
And he can also wear something traditional.
A sherwani.
Yes,
Yeah.
sherwani.
Come, let's go see a few options.
So Devangi, अभी किसका समय है?
पता नहीं.
पता नहीं. It's time for the viewer query.
Okay.
And we have a lot of questions pouring in for you to answer, and we have selected one.
Okay. What's the question?
So Rajat Singh wants to know that he does not want to wear a typical kurta for his friend Sangeet.
Okay.
Plus, he's dancing on the stage.
Right.
So what should he do?
Rajat, I know you want to be comfortable and also look good. You want to give your outfit a contemporary twist. The first option is you can wear a short sherwani that has an attached drape to it. Another option is to wear a cowl kurta. I hope this helps you.
Thank you, Devangi. And if you guys have a question for Devangi over here, you can write to us at shadi@ndtv.com. The lucky one gets picked up and will be featured on the show. So guys,
Wow.
looking very pretty. They both are complimenting each other a lot, right?
Yeah, the outfits work very well together.
Thank you.
It's designed by Vanshik. They're designers based in Mumbai. And I think the brocade work is just giving that very royal touch.
I feel like a Mughal emperor now.
Yeah. And do you see the twinkle in her eye? I think both of them were very happy when they came out in their first change. I could see that they looked at each other with that twinkle. So seeing that, I was very excited that I was able to dress them in the exact outfit that they had in their mind. How do you feel in this Anushri Reddy lehenga? Do you feel like it's appropriate for the theme?
yes, it's just perfect and I just love it.
The contrast really came out when she wore the green skirt with the purple, and it looked great on her skin as well. Great. So we'll have you try on the other outfit as well, and then we can compare how you
Do we
felt.
really need to try? But I think I really love this one.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
let's just give it a shot.
Okay.
All right. See you guys.
All right.
So Devangi, the color combination was really suiting the both of them, right?
Yeah, the two colors really complemented each other, and I think because all the colors involved are very vibrant, it's very appropriate for the theme. Yay! What do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
But I think the other one was suiting you a little bit more.
So now that we have talked about your dress, Anshul, what do you think?
Okay, this time he would say. What do you think?
Well, I like this one as well, but I guess the other one is little darker
Yeah.
shade of blue. I like that color more because I got emperor compliments a lot.
You look like an emperor.
I had shortlisted two sherwanis for Abhishek. Both were very striking, but I felt for his body frame, the knee-length sherwani worked much better. And I thought the darker shade also complemented Anshul's lehenga.
And we'll have you guys change back into your original clothes and meet you back here. Okay. But before you go, we'll take a selfie.
Sure.
Of course, you'll be taking it.
As usual.
They looked, of course, beautiful together, but even seeing them all dressed up in these outfits made me feel very happy and rewarded. Wish you a very happy married life. May you always be this cute and have the best chemistry.
यार यहाँ पे आके ना एक बहुत रॉयल सी फीलिंग आ गई है। ऐसा लग रहा है मैं मुगले आजम के एरा में आ गया हूँ। And if you think I also blend in perfectly with the surroundings, then it's thanks to Devangi and Aza Fashions. But you know, मैं तो रॉयल लग ही रहा हूँ, but who will beat me to this? महाराजा अभिषेक and महारानी अंशुल, जो कुछ ही देर में पधार रहे हैं। यार कपड़े बदलने में थोड़ा समय तो जाता ही है ना।
Still trying to work it out. My head's still full of doubt. I don't wanna let you down, 'cause you're my hero. And every time I turn away, you make me wanna stay. It doesn't matter what you say, 'cause you're my hero.
Hair and makeup is done. It looks fantastic. And once I get to wear Anushri Reddy's dress, it would be perfect. Super excited.
Make a wish
This dress looks so beautiful and I can't wait to see Abhi's reaction at this. He'll be stunned, I'm sure.
Cause you're my hero. Still trying to work it out. My head's still full of doubt.
I can't wait to see how Anshul is looking in the outfit and how we look together.
You're my hero.
wanted something like for our Mughal theme decoration, some dresses, and Devangi really helped us to get that right dresses, and it was a very easygoing experience.
The dress I wore in my engagement, and believe me, it's one of the best dress I wore ever in my life.
On engagement, Abhishek and Anshul were looking like prince and princess and really complimenting each other well, and it was looking classy.
सारी लड़कियां उसे देख रही थी and everybody was thinking कि काश मैं भी उस outfit को try कर सकूं. But it was really nice. She was looking very beautiful. Engagement entry was amazing. It was totally different than other engagement entries. लड़कियां नाच रही थी with साफास और हम लोगों ने ढोल बजाया, बहुत मस्ती की और बहुत डांस भी किया.
There were a lot of rituals in the whole function, but after the rituals, in the end, we exchanged the ring.
Bring out the best in me and give me the strength to be what I can. Bring out the best in me.
And I love my ring. It was a surprise, so I'm really happy about the ring exchange part.
Best in me.
अंशुल के कुछ फ्रेंड्स आए हुए हैं यूरोप से भी और यहाँ से भी. I want Abhishek to teach them dance and उनका एक परफॉर्मेंस हो संगीत में, so it will be fun.
The task that I've been given is I need to perform a dance sequence. I need to encourage other friends also to participate in. So the stress is that time is very less, dhols baj rahe hain, and I need to go to people's room and ask them for their time, which is actually difficult. So let's see if I'm able to do that.
Hi Abhishek, what can I do for you?
How are you doing?
Good.
Hello.
Hi Vijay, what's up?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good.
So the thing is that I want your half an hour today. I need a few minutes of yours. What we need to do is we need to practice a dance sequence. So
Dance
a
sequence.
dance sequence. First I went, introduced myself, and I told them there is a task that Abhishek has given me. What we need to do is we as a group need to perform a dance sequence in the Sangeet event.
Are you sure? Because I can hardly dance.
Yeah, sure. I can help you.
And I think we can easily, finish this task and pull off this
I
task.
think we can do that.
So I called everybody in a room. We need to perform on some Bollywood numbers. Let's try to do some teamwork. I suggest few steps. You guys also suggest few steps, and then we'll synchronize. Okay. Then let's do a team this thing. So. Yay! Then we practiced a few easy steps, I would say, because all of the friends were not good dancers. So this was the first challenge, to have easy steps and make them fall in sequence. Kill the fly. Okay. So that's how we'll remember. Yeah. And then third step, what we can do is we can do big bhangra. So task में twist ये था कि कुछ लोग foreigners थे and they were not aware of Bollywood dance steps. So उनको सिखाना था कि how to move your body with the beat, move your body with song. So वो सब सिखाने में थोड़ा सा practice लगा. So हमने practice किया. I think people followed and they had a confidence that they'll be able to perform those steps. You're good? Okay, I like the confidence. Very good, very good. Keep it up.
तो मैंने अभिषेक को टास्क दिया था कि अंशुल के कुछ फ्रेंड्स आए हुए थे, यूरोप से भी आए थे, बाहर से, उन सबको इकट्ठा करके उनका एक संगीत में परफॉर्मेंस उसको अरेंज करना था.
Even for the people who've come from outside, they were quite happy dancing and learning all those steps.
At the top, the only competition is yourself. The real challenge starts when you reach beyond your own limits. It's there you find out just how great you can be. Glenfiddich. Challengers welcome.
Big case, Calloway. It's the mayor's house. Copy that, Chief. They missed the Van Gogh. Jewels ain't pretty enough, I guess. Nothing wrong here. Wait. Go back to the sink. That's weird. Where's the faucet?
Isn't temptation a beautiful thing?
मुझे ये होटल रूम बहुत पसंद है और त्रिवागो के साथ मैं उसे यहाँ या यहाँ बुक कर सकता हूँ और जब मैंने उसे यहाँ बुक किया है then I have paid the lowest price for this hotel room. Hotel Trivago.
Okay, Abhi, ready to roll?
I'm looking.
Obviously second best as usual.
You know something? We're developing a control panel that can actually delete you. But
Okay, Vikram, let me interrupt. If you get a control panel, it won't even help you. You need a display setting. You need adjustments. Finally, if you get it all right, you may just look like this.
Can I finish? The control panel hasn't been able to delete you, but we did come up with an app that will help us to mute you.
No, Vikram, don't.
Yes, it worked. Sometimes technology can get the better of you. Check out the latest on the all-new Gadget Guru.
Gadget Guru, co-powered by Nexa. Every Saturday, 5 p.m.
What, you want me to put your back on?
Finally.
Co-powered by Nexa.
We have here. I put on my party sandals and I'm ready to do some rock and roll and naach gana. But asli dance to Abhishek ka friend kar raha hai, who's teaching Anshul's friends some new dance moves. So let's go and check out wahan pe kya ho raha hai. Meanwhile, bravo!
तो मैंने अभिषेक को टास्क दिया था कि अंशुल के कुछ फ्रेंड्स आए हुए थे, यूरोप से भी आए थे, बाहर से, उन सबको इकट्ठा करके उनका एक संगीत में परफॉर्मेंस उसको अरेंज करना था.
I am an average dancer myself, and to train people is a quite difficult task in itself. But we practiced that just before the act, and I think people were really in sync and they picked up really fast.
मतलब I wasn't expecting कि वो कर पाएगा. I wasn't 100% sure. और वो भी उसके दोस्त नहीं थे, वो अंशुल के फ्रेंड्स थे सारे. And disconnected लोग सब, कोई किसी को नहीं जानता.
Even for the people who come from outside, they were quite happy dancing and learning all those steps.
तो सगाई के बाद आता है संगीत. Although हम हर फंक्शंस में डांस करते हैं, but हमने फिर भी एक स्पेशल फंक्शन रखा है for dancing. And you know Mamure family, it is so huge. और बच्चे से लेके बड़ा हर कोई डांस करता है. Superb, excellent dancers.
सब लोग नाचे, बिंदास नाचे, भंगड़ा किया है दबा के, एकदम प्रॉपर वाला किया, एकदम पंजाबी स्टाइल। मेरा और अंशुल का परफॉर्मेंस वाज 15 मिनट्स। इट हैड 11 सॉन्ग्स इन इट।
मैंने अभिषेक ने डांस किया, हमने डांस प्रिपेयर किया था लाइक 7 AM in the morning। अभिषेक दरवाजा नॉक करता था कि प्रिपेयर फॉर द डांस।
कपल डांस मैंने पहली बार किया, ये बहुत स्पेशल था। इससे पहले मैंने सिर्फ भंगड़ा ही किया, वही करते हैं सबकी शादी में। अपनी शादी में कपल डांस था।
So we went on stage and we performed our steps on Bollywood number.
I was really surprised कि इसको याद भी है कि भैया मैंने इसको टास्क दिया था। मुझे लगा था भूल भुला जाएगा, अपनी प्रिपरेशन में लगा होगा। और उसके साथ 15 लोग और वहाँ थे। और उसके बाद जो उन्होंने परफॉर्मेंस किया है, I mean myself and Anshul we were like wow, मान गए भाई।
The synchronization was very good and people enjoyed our performance. Anshul, Abhishek and Alek joined us back on stage and we performed together.
And वो संगीत के सारे परफॉर्मेंसेस के बाद we had a cake cutting ceremony as well. उसमें भी we had a lot of fun. स्टेज में प्रॉपर्ली एक डेकोरेटेड केक भी कट किया और सारी फैमिली को हाथ से ही खिला दिया।
अरे कम ऑन यार, जल्दी कर, कोई देख लेगा तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी। Abhishek had given me the task of getting Anshul out of the marriage place where we were having all the functions. We did escape sequence, I would say. We managed to escape out of this place and I took her to the fort.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम? सबके कॉल आ रहे हैं घर से। What are we doing here?
अरे तुम चलो तो सही।
कहाँ?
I have planned something for you.
What?
There's somebody waiting for you.
I have to confess that I've never been one to fall in so easy. Yes, there's been a few, but none quite like you have left me such a nervous wreck.
टास्क मैंने अभिषेक को दिया था, ये तो ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल है, बट अभिषेक pulled that task off as well.
Time, your beauty is beyond design. But one use is a heart that declines my every plea.
हमने वहाँ पे एक दूसरे को promises वगैरह भी दिए हैं, मतलब स्पेशल वाले हैं। I know I have a lot of imperfections, and I know that you love my imperfections. I'll make sure that I will never change my imperfections. Seriously.
So Abhishek was quite happy and even Anshul was quite happy to meet Abhishek and spend some quality time. They enjoyed the romantic ambience in the fort and I think that made them.
कामना, मैंने उसे टास्क दिया था कि हल्दी में सारे फ्रेंड्स को हल्दी लगनी चाहिए।
हमारी हल्दी नॉर्मली खत्म हुई और अंशुल के सारे फ्रेंड्स और मेरी पूरी फैमिली सब लोग यहाँ इकट्ठे हुए हैं हल्दी एकदम होली वाले स्टाइल में खेलने के लिए।
You could be an anchor or a fashionista. It's about embracing your true self. Let your passion inspire your fashion. With me, your style coach for this season. Vogue Eyewear presents Eyes on Style Season 2.
Hey Nisha, ये लहंगा था पर अब पुराना हो गया. वो देख, सेम.
हाँ बड़ा हो गया है जी, 12वीं में पढ़ रहा है.
फिर से नया लेना पड़ेगा. 15 तक रुक जा. उसी प्राइस में नया हैंडबैग भी मिल जाएगा. नाइस. पर मुझे तो हैंडबैग नहीं चाहिए. पर मुझे चाहिए ना. मेरा बर्थडे जो आ रहा है. ओह, एडवांस मेन्यू. You too.
Flipkart New Pinch Days 15 से 17 दिसंबर. अब हर दिन मिलेगा न्यू पिंच.
अब से बाइक में ऑयल नहीं रेसर डालो. इसमें है CSP टेक्नोलॉजी जो इंजन की पावर को बढ़ाए और थ्रिल कभी ना रुके. HP रेसर, पावर टू थ्रिल.
जैसे चाहो comfortably बैठो with no period smell का डर. New Whisper Ultra Soft with extra soft cottony top sheet that gives you 2 times the softness, soft wetness and odor. So be comfortable. New Whisper Ultra Soft. Walk like royalty. Breathe in serenity. Surrender to natural beauty. Lux Interiors Season 3.
Capture the inspiration. Explore the influences. Delve into the world of design. Only on Lux Interiors Season 3.
Presented by Kohler. In association with Philips, Innovation and You.
कैसा लग रहा हूँ? You must be wondering why I have worn yellow. अब भाई हल्दी का समय है तो पीला तो बनता ही है ना. चले मस्ती करें.
कामना, मैंने उसे टास्क दिया था कि हल्दी में सारे फ्रेंड्स को हल्दी लगनी चाहिए.
जैसे तूने कहा था, तेरा टास्क था. You wanted your haldi to be awesome.
Oh,
And this is gonna be fun. We are going to play beautiful haldi.
I'm loving it.
ये तो इसी बात पे पहली हल्दी तुम दोनों को.
हमारी हल्दी नॉर्मली खत्म हुई. उसके बाद मिला मुझे रियल असली सरप्राइज. हल्दी एकदम होली वाले स्टाइल में खेलने के लिए.
So, for the task that Anshul gave to Kamna, I think she really pulled it off very well. The task was difficult and hats off to Kamna. I think शायद मैं करता तो शायद मैं उतना अच्छा नहीं कर पाता, but really hats off.
तो अभिषेक आइए. अंशुल, अभिषेक आप भी आइए. And Kamna, are you guys satisfied with your tasks?
Super duper satisfied.
Super duper satisfied. And you?
इतना enjoy कभी नहीं किया.
So the task was success?
Hard work.
Your hard work?
Yeah.
Thank you Abhishek, thank you Kamna. I think the task was a success.
Task was.
thankful that I chose such a task and she did it so well. हमने बहुत enjoy किया, बहुत ज़्यादा.
कामना?
Yes.
तुम कामना ही हो ना?
Yes.
पहचान में नहीं आ रही.
I can understand.
So congratulations on a task well executed. और अब क्या?
अभी गोलगप्पा टास्क है.
एक और टास्क है.
मैडम की विश है कि वो गोलगप्पे खाने हैं.
मतलब गोलगप्पे कब खाने?
मैरिज से पहले. चलो उसकी भी तैयारी करनी है. चलो.
I didn't realize how these 2 days passed. I didn't realize how these 2 days passed. It was really high paced. A lot of events and a lot of ceremonies to do. I would say hectic but quite enjoyable.
In the history of YDS, we have had a bride who wanted to dance at her own wedding, and dance she did. We have also had a bride who made a grand entry on an elephant at her own haldi. But never, never have we had a bride who wanted to be fed pani puris by her to-be husband, that too on the stage. अब डिमांड है तो बहुत छोटी, पर दिख नहीं रही मुझे पूरी होती. देखते हैं जाके.
Let go of the day. It don't pay near enough.
I have always been a pampered kid and will be. और इस सब का रीजन है मेरे पेरेंट्स. उन्होंने मुझे हमेशा जो चाहा वो दिया. और शादी भी जैसे मैंने सोची थी बिल्कुल वैसे ही. और जिससे चाही उससे. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मेरे पेरेंट्स की खुशी में मेरी खुशी और मेरी खुशी में मेरे पेरेंट्स की खुशी निकली. गोलगप्पे खाने थे मुझे छत पे. बट ये जो टास्क मैंने कामना को दिया था, मुझे प्राइवेसी नहीं चाहिए थी, लेकिन मुझे वो फन चाहिए था.
जो टास्क मैं छत पे नहीं कर पाई वो अब मैं स्टेज पे करूंगी. कम अंशुल, ले तेरा टास्क.
We did it on stage in front of the whole family. I enjoyed it more than we could have enjoyed on terrace.
I wish अंशुल और अभिषेक की लाइफ में ऐसे ही स्वीट एंड सावर मोमेंट्स आते रहे. हैप्पी?
Kamna, I'm so thankful to you. You made every task so well done. Oh my God, hats off, Kamna.
Thank you. Thanks to you guys.
Most of the times brides have that feeling of मुझे groom ऐसा चाहिए या ऐसा. मेरे केस में मुझे कैसी बीवी चाहिए and वो मिल गई है. और उसकी खुशी मेरी चेहरे से आपको साफ झलकती दिख रही होगी अभी.
We'll be starting a new journey from tomorrow, and I'm sure it will be as exciting as our friendship.
Anshul, I love you a lot. And I'm going to love you for the rest of my life. We are having an amazing time and this is going to continue for 100 more years. So enjoy the ride, sweetheart.
So I wish Abhishek and Anshul all the very best for their married life, and for all the vows that they have taken. I wish that they spend a happy life together. All the best.
I'm very happy, I'm very excited. I can't believe they are together, standing on the floor like stage, and they're looking very beautiful. I wish them best of luck for their future.
Here's to a happy ending to a beautiful story that started 9 years ago. Friends turned into lovers and now a happily married couple. इनकी कहानी में बहुत सारे ups and downs आए, लेकिन the one thing that was constant was love. I hope you enjoyed the wedding as much as I did. This is Adik Kapoor signing off as I go in search for a new wedding and a new story. Till then, ciao.